Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the ESR HaloLock magnetic wireless car charger. So this is a sponsored video. Thank you ESR for sending this out. There's a few more products that you're going to see in the next few days, hopefully. Also sponsored by ESR, so thank you ESR for that. And yeah, we got the tripod back. That's why it's very stable at the moment, and I got both my hands free. So we got the tripod back, and we've ordered a new tripod for the garage. So better quality videos, I guess. I'm using my mouse mount as a backdrop, I guess, till I get a permanent setting, better permanent setting. I could always go back to the wood table in the kitchen, but yeah. So yeah, this is the product itself. Let's have a look, guys. Okay, so it comes in a normal box. HaloLock. It's trusted by over 80 million people. Let me see. I'm going to double check that for you. Okay, it might be, because it does have a lot of reviews. Innovative, so it's got original design since 2009 and it's worldwide in the company. Okay, so the box itself, and then tech made easier. Let's have a look at the back. Okay, oh, my focus is a bit dodgy today. Okay, got the wireless charger. Let's see for any issues. Okay, there's not much information on here, so I guess I'll tell you some information myself. Okay, so this is priced at $27.99, which is not it's a pretty decent price. It's not too bad, if I'm being honest with you guys. Okay, it's got fast charging, fast wireless charging. So this is goes into your vents. So what you do is you put into your vent, and then this is magnetic on the back. You just put your phone on it. Most phones should work fine without an adapter, but some will need the magnetic adapter. It just depends. You just won't know until you try it, I guess. So yeah, so this does 18 watts apparently, which is the fast charging. It's pretty good. It's got a magnetic attachment. That's why it's called the HaloLock. That's probably the name of it for that reason. Compatible with the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's compatible with Samsungs as well, quite a few actually. And apparently it comes with a USB-C cable. We'll double check that. So yeah, I'll do a setup video as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this anyway. So it comes with a safety sticker there, so they know that you opened it. So let me take it off. If I can take it off. Oh yeah. There you go. Okay, stickers off. Let's have a look inside, guys. Oh. Okay, so we've got a manual there. I forgot the manual for now. What's this? Win a free iPhone. Free replacement for any issue. That's pretty good. That's really good. So that's really good customer service. So they got like a drawer, I think, where you scan your code in and you get put in a drawer for winning an iPhone. And here's if you got an issue, just scan that code, I guess, give your order number, and they'll sort you out. Tell them probably. Okay, so you got the charger port, charging pad, USB-C port. So yeah, it will be. Oh, it's got a heat vent. So it's got like an exhaust port, so you can get rid of any heat. Mounting clamp, indicator light. That is pretty sick. Wait, is this all just in different languages? Oh no, there's more stuff. So this is your instructions how to do it. It's not too bad. This is the pad itself. It actually looks pretty cool. Oh wow, look at that design there. Can you see that design? That is a sick design. Okay, so these are the heat ports. So heat comes out of here. So any exhaust heat from the wireless charging will come out there. So it'll be very safe. You got USB-C port. You don't really see USB-C on these wireless chargers, so Really glad they've done that. That's really good. They're very modern. You got the indicator light, I think you got on both sides. That's pretty good. And it looks like more heat ports as well on the top, so this will definitely not have any heat issues. Okay, this is your locking thing. I'm gonna actually take this off. You ready, guys? Oh, it's MagSafe as well, by the way, guys. Wow, look at that. That is amazing, guys. I actually like that. That looks beautiful. I'm very impressed, guys. So far I'm very impressed from what I've seen. So that's what goes into the back of it, into the vent. So this end will go into the vent. You clip it in, oh, and then that will go into the ball in there. Take this off and screw it back on. Okay, and then you got your USB-C cable that they gave for free. So I am gonna actually plug this in now, just to give it a try. I can't remember if my S7 Edge was wireless charging, but we'll find out. Let me just get a USB-C cable out. Alright, guys, so here's the charger port. Just unplug it in. Just move this around so you can have a look. Alright, so plug it in. Is that plugged in? Oh no, there you go. Whoa, really liking that blue light. Okay, now let me get my S7 Edge from somewhere. There it is. Ready, guys? S7 Edge. I think this is wireless charging. This phone has wireless charging, I'm not too sure, but we'll check. Oh, that is a very good magnetic lock. Oh yeah, this phone does have wireless charging. Fast charging wirelessly. So this is very fast charging as well. So that is perfect. And it's magnetic, but I don't know if this phone is magnetic, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Let's see. It did try to hold it, but this isn't magnetic. So what you need for this is your best likely is getting a clear case, which they do sell on the website, and then you put this charger on the back, the magnetic thing on the back. It is called the HaloLock universal ring. I'll do unboxing on that so you can have a look at it. So you'd put that on the back of either your phone or the case. I recommend getting a case, then put it on the case, because it might leave a mark on your phone, so it's better doing it that way. But yeah, it's very successful. Let's see. So when it is charging, what color does it change to? That's what I want to see. Oh, need to find where the charging thing is. There it is. Okay. Where is the charging? This phone's a bit iffy because I've dropped it a few times. So yeah, once I can figure out where he is, I'll let you know. There you go. Oh, so it does stay blue. Yeah, so when it's charging, it stays blue as well. I thought it would change color, but I guess not. Who knows? We'll find out when I do a proper test on it. So yeah, I'm going to set it up in my car. I'll show you how to set it up on another video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you ESR for sending this out. I'm very impressed at the moment. And yeah, I'm going to make a video on how to set it up in your car, and how to set up your cases and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Goodbye, guys. Wow.